and the reason is that OR is perpendicular to PQ. So you can see OR is perpendicular to PQ. So what to explain in this? I don't understand. Perpendicular means 90 degree. So is it understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we need to prove, that I will be writing, I will be copying it as it is, and I will be writing to prove. I have not introduced anything. I have just copied it from the question. Now I am writing solution. So whatever in right hand side, that is angle QOS. So I will be finding angle QOS. So QOS means, which is angle QOS? This is QO and this is S. So it is made up of two angles. I can write it is made up of ROS, angle ROS plus angle ROQ. Can I write it like this?
Yes, ma'am.
एक बड़ा एंगल है, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ टू एंगल्स. तो एंगल के नाम लिखे हैं मैंने QOS. इट इज इक्वल टू ROS प्लस ROQ. सो दैट आई हैव डन. तो अब मैं दूसरा लूंगी RHS का पार्ट, दैट इज एंगल POS. सो POS, this is POS angle. So this I can write angle POR माइनस एंगल ROS. तो अगर मैं इस पूरे बड़े एंगल से ये वाला एंगल माइनस कर दूं, then I can get POS. So are you able to get it? मैंने क्या
Yes,
कैसे
ma'am.
दोनों इक्वेशंस लिखी हैं. बड़े एंगल में से अगर मैं छोटा एंगल माइनस कर दूंगी, देन आई विल बी गेटिंग POS.
Yes, ma'am.
अब आप, क्योंकि हम RHS में देख पा रहे हैं QOS माइनस POS है, तो मैं इक्वेशन 1 और 2 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करूंगी. सो आई विल बी डूइंग इक्वेशन 1 माइनस इक्वेशन 2. सो व्हाट इट इज, QOS minus POS. So I have to subtract right hand side with right hand side, left hand side with left hand side. And this minus minus will become plus. तो मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया है, बस सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है इक्वेशन 1 माइनस इक्वेशन 2. And if I solve the right hand side, there are two angle ROS. So I will write 2 ROS. And I have already written ROQ is 90 degree and POR is already 90 degree. So 90 minus 90. It is 0. So if this 2 will go to another side, so you will get the answer. So we have to observe the right hand side and put the value of QoS and PoS. Write it completely and do tell me. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, written.
Okay, so this is the last question, and here diagram is not given. So we will be drawing the diagram first. It is given XYZ is 64. So we will be making XYZ XYZ. This is angle 64 degree. Okay, and if XY is produced to point P, if I produce XY to point P, so XYZ is 64 degree. This is given in the diagram. Okay, draw the figure from the given information and point ray YQ bisect ZYP. So there is a ray YQ which is bisecting this ZYP angle. So bisecting means dividing this into two equal parts. So I am numbering this two both as 1 and 1 because it is given in the question that YQ bisect ZYP. You have to find the value of XYQ. XYQ, firstly we will be doing this. So first, why I have taken this angle 1 and angle 1? Because it is given that ray YQ bisect ZYP. So I will be writing angle ZYQ is equal to angle QYP. What is the reason? As ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. Okay, so firstly you have to write this two are equal because ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. Now I can write 64 plus angle 1 plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree because they are making a straight line. Okay, so you can write 64 plus 2 angle 1, it is equal to 180 degree, or 2 angle 1 is 180 minus 64. So we got angle 1 as 58 degree. Okay, now we need to calculate angle XYQ. So angle XYQ, you can see it is made up of 64 plus angle 1. XYQ, this is X, this is Y, and this is Q. So it is made up of 64 degree and angle 1. So what is the measure of XYQ? 64 plus 58. So it comes out to be 122 degree. Okay, so this is one part. Next part is reflex of QYP. So reflex of angle QYP, it is equal to 360 degree minus angle 1. See, QYP is angle 1. So if I subtract it from 360 degree, I will be getting the reflex angle. So 360 minus 58. So you should get 302 degree. So that question is very easy question. Only the concept here which is utilized is that this ray is bisecting an angle. So if a ray is bisecting an angle, what does it mean? It is dividing it into two equal parts. So we have just taken them equal to angle 1 and then we have solved it up. और रिफ्लेक्स एंगल का फॉर्मूला मैंने बताया था 360 माइनस एंगल. So whatever is the measure of angle, if I subtract it from 360 degree, then I will be getting reflex angle.